kesho kila siku
Nĩ igongona-inĩ rĩa mathiko ma Mzee Kiptoo Chekurui, ũrĩa ũĩkaine na rĩtwa rĩngĩ ta aratumite, ituura-ini rĩa Kituro, kaunti-ini ya Baringo. Kurui ũrĩa watungataga ta ndereba wa mutongoria wa mbere wa bururi mutigairi Mzee Jomo Kenyatta arahurukire thutha wa ndwari ya kahinda kanini ena ũkũrũ wa miaka 83.
Yeye alikuwa mtu wa ustadi mkubwa. Inadhihirisha kwamba yeye alikuwa mtu ambaye anajali na mtu alikuwa na nidhamu ya hali ya juu. Ndipo akaaminiwa kuweza kukaa na jamii ya rais wa Kenya.
Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta ndumiriri-ini yake ya macakaya kuri nyumba ya Mzee Chepkurui ni augite ari mugi mwendi wira wake na mutugi. Ndumiriri ino iria irathomirwo ni minister wa mai Simon Chelugui, mutongoria wa bururi ni agwetete Chepkurui ta mundu wari mwihokeku wira-ini wake.
He was a driver of great insight and unique abilities, a gentleman who performed his duties immaculately. It is indeed his exemplary virtues of integrity, honesty, hard work, and determination that saw him join the presidential escort and rise in the rank in the police service on merit from a constable to a corporal.
Ngai arohurukia Mzee Kiptoo Chekurui handu hega, aromama kwega kuraga handu-ini ha Kameme TV. Ritwa riakwa ni Elena Wagacumwo.